darling, my beloved right hand. Where did you go? You should be here. You're not hiding from me, are you? Your one and only Yomi Hellsmile. No way. That's impossible. You could never. Hey, there you are. I've been looking all over for you. Oh, nothing. No real reason. Just came to see if you were okay. And also ask you something. No. You didn't do anything wrong. No, everything is just fine. Everything is fine, and I will make sure it stays that way. Where it's nothing but you and me and nobody else. I said everything is okay. I'm sorry, but please, don't make me repeat myself. Nothing is wrong. I'm happy, and you're happy too. And that's all that matters. Darling, please, my beloved right hand, I'm not scaring you. No. You're scaring me to death. Please, tell me, and be honest with me. You do love me, right? Yes. And you do trust me, don't you? All right then. Well, then. You want me to tell you what's going on? Fine. I'll tell you what's going on. Well, as I was out on patrol, I've seemed to have caught a mere glimpse of someone else, another man, have their way with you. That couldn't be true, could it? My beloved right hand, answer me. Answer me. Now. Darling, please. You're making this hard enough as it is for me. Why are you walking away from me? That man didn't do anything bad to you, did he? You couldn't have possibly stayed in his grasp for long, could you? Because you belong to me. And only me. You know that, right? My beloved right hand, why are you getting scared? You're acting like I'm going to blow your brains out if you told me what you've been up to. Perhaps you've forgotten my vows already. I said that I could never, ever hurt you. There is only one you in this world, and you should only belong to me. And I cannot lose that. My one and only. Even if someone else lets a finger on you. So, do you think you can tell me now, my darling? Oh, you are? Goody. I see you now understand the consequences awaiting you if you didn't tell me. I was almost expecting to take things the hard way, but now you're able to speak. So go on. What happened? So, he did touch you, didn't he? He did, didn't he? Oh, my beloved right hand, you don't need to look so frightened. I knew the whole time. Yes, I saw everything. As soon as you ran off after that man touched you, me and the peacekeepers intervened. What did I do, you ask? Well, before you ask, no, I didn't kill him. In fact, I didn't even touch him. I let the peacekeepers have their way with him instead. Just like how he did with you. Now, that man won't be walking anytime soon. This is what happens when someone messes with the great Yomi. Why did I do that, you ask? My beloved right hand, you shouldn't be asking that. It'll only make me feel like you sympathize with him. But it's best not to go there. So I'll pretend that I didn't hear what I clearly just heard. And I'll just say this. You're mine. All mine. If anyone thinks they're going to touch you, then they'll have to get through me first. Because I am the law. I take charge. Now, even though I already told you, I saw what you were doing. The only thing I don't understand is, why were you hiding from me? That wasn't very nice of you. Was it? Wait, hold on a sec. Darling, are you crying? You're not crying because of me now, are you? Did I scare you? I can never scare you. You know it's true because you're my one and only greatest possession now, right? My beloved right hand. Please, let me wipe those tears away. Please. Please. Were you afraid? Afraid that I might crush you into an adorable little cube as well? Oh, darling, you don't need to ever get that into your cute little head. Because you know, I can never do that to you. I don't need to put you in my pocket to get you to stay with me at all times. But just know this. If I can't have you, then nobody will. If they can't understand that, then I have no choice but to keep you here forever as my property, to where your friends nor your family could ever see you again. So, my beloved right hand, don't you feel better now that all that stress and worry has gotten off your shoulders? Good. That's all I wanted to hear. But, unfortunately, it seems you still have a bit of trust issues. So, I'm afraid you still have to be punished. Oh, quit it with the squirming. I'm not going to harm you in any way. As I've repeatedly said. No. You're just going to be under my surveillance for the rest of the night. Well, to make sure you're safe and that you don't get into any more trouble unless you enjoy getting into it. Like that unmentionable little terrorist that should never be named. Now then, you're coming with me. I'll be keeping a close eye on you from this moment forward. Better get used to it quickly, my beloved right hand. It's going to be a long night.